I was diagnosed with lung cancer. It was quite accidental that they discovered it. So I had the treatment by CyberKnife. And it's all gone now.
Can I inject something? Because in some cases I was on the outside looking in, and the one thing that I remember was that she had 4 treatments. They lasted about 30 minutes. There was no pain. I questioned her on it. She said she felt nothing. There was no pain. 30 minutes, we got in the car, went home, and we did that 4 times, and on the last CAT scan it showed that everything was fine. So that's quite a success story. I would consider it a success story, not just because of age, but for anybody to have lung cancer and have 4 simple treatments of 30 minutes each and be able to have a follow-up that says you're okay. She feels good, she eats good, and I don't know what more we could ask for. The opinion that we got from the doctor was that surgery was not an option because of her age, that it would be a very, there would be a lot of risk involved if surgery was involved at her age, and they definitely were pretty negative on surgery.
Mm-hmm. So I'm not that old, I'm only 21.
So she'll be 92 in April.
Oh.
92, you're young. When you're 99, you look back on
it. Yeah.
I'm in the same bracket. I'll be 92 in April also. And we've been married for a little over 70 years. So everything is big numbers with us. I don't think we've sacrificed anything. I think, if anything, we have gained, because the cancer that she had must have been what contributed to the lack of energy and the cough and the different things that she had, which are non-existent now. And she also smiles once in a while, don't she? She eats well, sleeps well, we enjoy ourselves, we take trips, we do everything that we would want to do. So I would say that nothing has changed after the treatment, and we're back to where we were before it all started. When she was discovered to have the spot on her lung, at that time she was having problems. But as of right now, the only problem we have really is waiting for the weather to get nice so we can get in the car and go someplace. Do you agree?
Right.
See, she agrees. I must be right. We're not promoting anything. We're acknowledging the fact that we had found a wonderful way to treat her. And the only sad part is that in talking to people, not as many people are as aware of what is possible. In the case of lung cancer, the only thing we have experience with, and that's sad. So we try to bring this story up to as many people as we can, and the local paper has helped us a little, and we're going to continue to do it. It's a wonderful thing not to have surgery, not to have pain, not to lose your hair, or not to. It's easier than going in and having your picture taken, because you're in a new environment. You have a big robot staring down at you, and you can tell your friends about what happened. So it has a lot of good sides to it. And as you can see, she's in good shape now. She eats good, and she's happy. In all of the years, and there's been quite a few of them, that we've gone to hospitals, met with doctors or anything, I never and never have found a group of people, 100%, that were as gracious and as kind and as good in the things that they did for both of us as we found at El Camino Hospital. I can't praise El Camino, the staff, or the doctors. It's impossible to convey my feelings towards those people. It's that good. I also would like to mention the fact that Dr. Sinha, who was our relation with the CyberKnife and with the hospital, was fantastic in explaining what happened, what the results were, what the risks were, anything. If I had a question, he answered it. in detail. He was fantastic. I appreciate every minute that I spent with him. He was because I wanted to know what was going on, and certainly my wife was a little vague in answering some of my questions, but he wasn't. It was a wonderful experience. If you had to have this experience, I'd say have it with Dr. Sinha and CyberKnife.
I am very grateful that there was CyberKnife to have. A couple of years ago, we didn't even hear about it, but it's marvelous, and there's no pain and no difficulty in having it. You just have to lie very still and have it happen. There was 3 or 4 times I had it, but then it's all over. And it's almost unbelievable that little, you lie there still and have this thing go around you, and it cures it. It's amazing.